Oh, hello. Hello. Hi. Yeah, what the? Yeah, thanks. Thanks for sending me to EU. Oh my god. Pokings. Hello. Hello, hello. How are we doing today? How are you? Good Morgan? Good Morgan. Yeah. Via gets? Via gets? Is that how it works? Via gets. Via? What is via? I forgot what via is. W-I-E. My get is good and der. D. Da. Ah! Uh uh I could cheese it and just say uh gets get? Is it just get? I think a shortened response could be gets good, but that sounds wrong. Uh get get goods. Goods? Wait, goods isn't a word. No, I haven't done this sentence thing this way around, and my brain is short circuiting. Uh, yeah, good. Wait, I could just answer with good if I was being lazy. Good. Yeah. My god, I'm so bad at German. Oh no. Oh no. That's okay. Slowly I'll get there. Slowly. I don't know the word for slowly. Oh no. What am I looking for? Oh, the timer is still up. Wait, does it look fine in the other screen? It does not. Okay. Sorry, I'm still setting things up. Whoa. Sick. Okay, I think we're ready. Boop. So this is what we're up to last time. Pretty not it's not like we don't really have UI elements. Alright, so when we open these characters, we need to have them not fly away. That's what we need them to do. So how do we do that? So gotcha, but it's like the loot box gotcha. You smell like coconut and vanilla. Nice. Yeah, I don't know what I smell like. Oh no. I'm probably stinky. I'm probably stinky. I came from work and started stream immediately. That's okay. I have a shower after stream. After. Yeah, stinky. I also eat food after stream. My god. After stream time is pretty fun. Good thing this is an audio visual medium. Yeah. Exactly. If it was an audio visual smell medium, I would have definitely like made sure I was hella fancy smelling. Holy. Okay, so when we open a gacha box, so this is set up gacha scene, that's fine. Sacrifice stuff, that's fine. Add loot box to entity. So I think this is where, yeah, I think this is where it happens because this is the loot box here. Just all of this shenanigans. Although add box to entity, or is it this one? No, spawn gacha character. Right. Sound effect, pack it open, that's good. Despawn the box, get the character, create. Yeah, okay. So we get rid of inactive. We get rid of prevent level end. We get rid of, actually, I'm not certain about these, but we also get rid of continuous animation. And so it should just be a normal character at that point. Oh, we do put it in the inventory already. Maybe that's bad. I guess we'll see. I guess we'll see what these changes do. What do they do? What do they do? Verde. Is that a word or what? Verde. I was thinking of it yesterday, or was it today? I had a sentence in mind, and I've completely forgotten. Queen. Nice. Well, we're back on the waiting for compile train. That's fun. I wonder if I can open. Well, what we could do is if I open up our other project and we continue working on the chat box, but we do it without integration, it will be fine. This one open. Because yeah, basically source main, then we have chat box somewhere in here. I'm gonna have to like move this to its own directory, hopefully. Yo, it finished. Nice. Oh, okay, so I didn't get to see the entity because we instantly opened it. But that's fine because that level shouldn't exist. Now we press this button, press that button. Oh, look at that. Oh, we can't click it though. Ooh. Okay, what makes these clickable? Is it this tile type? Is it the tile type? It might be the tile type because if we go to because those tiles specifically, so not this project, this one, they are add box entity, sacrifice requirements, spawn gacha box. Yeah, they're a sacrifice tile. So if we make them, if we did make them an inventory tile, it would kind of work, right? We go cargo run release. They are both an inventory and oh wait, no. Sacrifice tile's wrong. Sacrifice tile is the wood stuff. I'm on the right track. Yeah, here a loot tile is also an inventory tile. So it can be simultaneously a loot and an inventory. Yeah, one of these streams, I should try to do entirely in German. What the? Well, maybe not entirely in German, more like try to say most things I want in German. It's gonna be a slow stream. We'll have to like simplify what I'm trying to do on stream, but it could be fun. It'll be good practice, that's for sure. Do I like oh my god. Don't get me started on Duolingo. Duolingo fucking belongs in the bin. It's like the worst thing I've ever used, and it's like super frustrating and you don't actually learn anything, and like half the stuff it tries to teach you is like the most dumb like way to like learn something, and I'm like, what the, this is just like, this is dumb. Like, I did try it for a little bit, not as an everyday thing, but like the only way it was even vaguely playable is if you click on the skip this section do the test, you do it a few more times and you learn whatever's in the section, and you just repeat that over and over again, the skipping section, and like it's all right, but it's also a bit of gamba because it depends if you get the dumb questions that like are actually super useless, or like some of the more useful ones. But yeah, don't know. Duolingo sucks ass. It'll help with the vocabulary, maybe. It might, but it also might like fucking tell me to work out how to say mother like 16 billion times, and I'm just like, yo, fucking just give me something that's actually new, please. Oh shit, I can't click on it. Whoa. Wait, why can I not click on it? Maybe it has to do with the character rather than the tile. Oops. Vesdev, hello, welcome in. Welcome in. No, I got frustrated, Duolingo. It's a simple thing, so I'm never touching it again. And you know, the fucking Duolingo owl, not only are they my arch rival, but they're so abusive. Holy, so abusive. Sheesh. I also heard they fired all of their translators, the Duolingo people, and they're gonna only use AI now. Yeah, that's something. That's something, all right. Oh, sheesh. Hey, characters. What is the loot character missing? How could it be missing things? Spawn gacha character on. Yeah, so we spawn the character at this cell and we don't do these, which is fine. But like when we spawn a normal character, what happens? Why is it like, oh wait, is it team? Is it the team? I think it might be the team. Sinkers save. Duolingo is really good at just keeping you immersed in a tiny bit on a daily basis, and it does help you with vocabulary really well. Yeah, I don't know about if it helped me be immersed. It was more like pain. I like I don't know. I don't know. Duolingo rubbed me in the wrong way, but like I should go back to putting all the words that I do learn into an Anki, and then doing the Anki memorization stuff. That usually goes well, but I have been lazy. Exo, hello Exo. How you doing? Yeah. Hello. Hello, my old TV. Doing okay? How am I? I'm good. Like I had a good day at work. Just because I don't know. I don't know. It was a not bad day. I started off very sick. Like I was like considering working from home, but then I was like, nah. And I went in, and then I was feeling better after that. So thankfully, it wasn't a bad outcome. Okay, I still can't click it. Yo, what makes it selectable? Oh no, surely not. We have like a movable, maybe? New movement tiles. Do we have to make a movement tile? Like, it would make sense if it's a tile based. No, a movement tile is the highlight. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at characters. What do they do special that I'm forgetting? Move character. Oh, we can check. No, that's already after they started moving. Cell attacked. That's fine. Cell selected. Oh, can move. Maybe I have to give it with can move. Oh, selectable. Oh, yo, that would make sense. I have to make the character selectable. Where is it though? Spawn gacha box. Sacrifice stuff. Loot box entity. Add loot box to entity. Spawn gacha character on. Yeah, so here we go select selectable. Morning with what the selectable. We go normal selection. Morning starts with service don't works when you're on customers and owl streams. Oh, you prefer morning to stop and go to sleep already? Oh my. Oh my. Yeah, that's fun. I've been avoiding sleep recently. It's not good. Yo, what the I saw my throat lozenges and it's called duo relief. And I'm like, what are you duo relieving? But apparently it is an antibacterial as well as an anesthetic. They're lime flavored. Tasty. Oh, sorry, lime and lemon flavored. Okay. Is my clothing bucket, its handle broke. Well, that's sad. That's sad. It's not even that old. I haven't even squished it that much. Unlucky. Okay, let's continue working on the chat box since we're waiting for it to compile. So this is the chat box here, and basically we want the name to be on the top left, like half on, half off the box, I think. But anyway, this compiles, so we get to see what's up. So we can move these. That's good. We can click that. Boom. Oh, look at that! We can move it now. Hell yeah! And you can't move it back, so that's perfect. That's perfect. Now another thing we need to do is when we're spawning, we need to stop it from spawning. What? All right. More loot boxes on a cell that already has a character. So I know we already do that for other gacha entities, but I guess we'll see. Add loot box to entity. No, that's not what we need. Sacrifice requirements, no. Spawn gacha box. Or this. What does this have on it? Oh, it has the cell to spawn it. Okay, that's fine. So where do we use this? Here, trigger. Oops. Let me go again. Let me go again. GA. There we go. Spend a coin and spawn gacha box on this cell. Okay, available cells is based on loot boxes is empty. Okay. Spawn loot box on. So at the moment we're doing it a tile with gacha without red button, without tile, with red button, with loot tile. Wait, why does this have I just have extra brackets. What the? You had 2 years of French in high school. You genuinely retained nothing of it, but you've been doing a Duolingo lesson a day for 550 days now and helped you get to where you were originally. And even hold a light conversation. Nice. You could have probably learned French proper now if you had done real learning, but you don't really have the patience or motivation to sit down and study, so that helped you a lot. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, I just know that so some of the early German stuff, it was some of it was kind of cringe and not quite right, and it wasn't good for learning like early on learning because I don't have the well like in your case you had the skill at some point, whereas I basically haven't learned any other languages. I guess a little bit of Japanese. Yeah, that's good though. It's good that it helped you. Also, congrats on that. It's 550 days. That's insane. That's insane. Um, yeah, what's going on here? So a loot tile without red button. So this is the tile itself, and then these cells. So tiles. Oh, it's the loot box tiles. Right, and then this is the gacha character entities. Yeah, the gacha character entities. But yeah, I really should do Enki because I learn a bunch of words, but then I forget them because I don't Enki them up. That would be probably like at very least that would help me sustain my small. Well, it would help me grow because if I use a vocabulary once and put it in the Enki and then actually do the Enki, then it will expand. It will continue expanding my vocabulary. Oh man, I really should do that. Wait, with gacha, without red button. So with gacha, without red button. So something that has gacha. So when we have a loot box, it has a gacha, right? This is a gacha. Yeah. Yeah, because you spawn gacha and then the cell. Okay. Okay. Do we just do another like? Yeah, I guess we just do another with all the characters. I guess that's what we have to do. So we go, query. Cell. Without tile with character. Then here, this is characters. Available cells. If loot boxes is empty, true. Otherwise, the not of that. Available cells. Oh, right. And here, if we go available cells again, but now we append, where we are appending, we go to, what are we in? We're iterating over the loot box tiles. Oh, wait. We can do this better, I think. Because what we do is we go and characters dot ida dot any character cell. Then we go character cell dot equals c. So if both of those are false, then yeah, so here is make sure no loot boxes or characters exist on the tile before spawning loot box. Save, and then we run again. But you know what I'm really bad at? I'm really bad at daily things. Like anything I have to do consistently, I'm bad at. Like the most consistent thing I've ever done in my life is streaming. Literally nothing else has been consistent. And even streaming's not that consistent. Duolingo gives you 5 notifications. I know, I used it. And like a bunch of them were hella threatening. They were like, yo, I'm gonna kill myself with a gun if you don't learn German today. And I'm like, what the fuck? Jesus. Otherwise you would have done 0, yeah. Oh no. I can feel my sore throat coming back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh wait, we can go do the chat box thing now. Wait, we have to be fast because we keep starting to do it and then we don't. Wait, so chat box item chat username chat message, and this is another chat message. Ah, fuck. Why does it always finish compiling? So we're gonna have to get a lot of coins to make sure what we did actually works. So let's do that. I use your mum's phone. Sometimes she receives from Duolingo and passive aggressive as hell. Yeah, yeah, they're pretty brutal. They're pretty brutal. Yeah, look at that. Bye bye. Bye bye. We got our 1 coin. We'll spawn nothing and just go again. Go again. This is kind of a bad like beginning set of characters. Because oh shit, I'm gonna get wrecked. Wow. Oh, that was not what I wanted to do. Oopie! Oh no, my mage person's dead. Bye bye. Okay. I think this blue dude is also gonna be dead. Oh yeah, they're definitely dead. No. Wait, I've got no kills so far? Oh, that's bad. Oh no, I lost! I lost! Shit. Let's go again. Okay. This is a fun start. Ah shit. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Easy first level. Now we'll spend no coins and go again. Oh shit. Yeah, like that. Nice. We can get both of those. Nice. My fish is gone. Yo, it killed that. Oh my god. Yo, that was sick. That was sick. It had counterattack and it had the two assassins aimed at still. I have 4 coins. Hell yeah. Uh I don't think I can do the next level with these. Oh fuck. Our little thing didn't work. It put the loot box right on the character. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Why did it do that? Yo, why is my DPU going hard? Sheesh. Not my DPU, my fans. What is my temperature at? Only 85. Hmm. Hmm. Wait, so this didn't work. Characters. Tile with character. This is true. Oh, this needs to be in ore. That needs to be in ore. My god. 85? What do you mean? That's like it being cool. You should have seen me a few streams ago. We very frequently got to 105, and then when it got to like 108, that's when my computer would turn off. 85 is cool. But I don't know, I put fresh thermal paste on there and it's a Noctua heatsink, so I don't know what to do. I have a 5950X. Temperature is not solved. What do you mean they are solved? They are solved. We very rarely get to 95 degrees these days, which is good. Yeah, I got the two fans sandwich one. I got it ages ago. Noctua. Noctua. Not this one. That's crazy. This one. This is the one I have. We have the one heatsink in the middle and the fans on the outside. And yes, the fans are facing the right direction. And yes, the flow of my computer is correct. And no, the window, the side panel of my computer is on, but that doesn't change temperatures. It doesn't matter if it's on or off. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, that's silly hot. It's pretty normal. I don't know. We got to 80. We're down to 80. It's. I haven't seen cooler basically. Oh, I should not be clicking this button on the first round. Whoa. Yeah, 1 coin. That one, that one, that one. So now the problem here is that these two cannot be both in the prime spot. Only one of them can be in the prime spot. I could have killed one of the assassins. I won't. Yeah, that's 4 coins. We could probably do the next level with these three. These three and units are pretty strong. How much health do these have? 2. So if I put this one here and then we go boom. So then that's there. That is there. That is there. Nice. Okay, so... Oh, I can get both of them. Nice. Yeah, this unit can go really far with all these all these anchors. I think we'll get the furthest one, right? Wait, can I get them? Yeah, I can. Nice. Just a skeleton to go. Oh, what the? Oh shit. My paladin. I think that's what it's called. I think it's a paladin. Whoa, look at that bug. Oh. Okay, it's gone now. Yeah, that's a bug. We have 8 coins, that's enough. 1. Boom. 2. Ah, shit. 3, 4, 5. Oh, it happened. Okay, we broke it. We broke it. We broke it. It's broken. So this is not an ore. This is definitely not an ore. Okay, so let me think. Let me think. Make sure no loot. So we go through all the loot boxes and we make sure none of them are the same as this tile that we have currently. And if all of these are false, then it's true. And then the characters, it's the same with the characters. Weird character. We do give it a character, right? When we open it up. Yeah, spawn character, and then it has cell. Or maybe it doesn't have. No? Does it have tile? It shouldn't have tile. I don't think we need the without tile. But like, I don't get it. Characters, cell, everything with a character. If loot boxes is empty. Oh, right. And oh, I see what happened. I think we just do this now. We don't have that empty shortcut. Don't fall into the indie game dev trap, they said. Yeah, why is my Discord saying looking for accounts you've blocked or ignored? Go to settings. What the? Why would I be looking for people I've blocked or ignored? Ridiculous. Come on, compile already. Just taking its time. Yeah, that's right. I forgot. I keep forgetting we were doing this other project. Okay, so here we have so hard to know. Is this one chat box? Yeah, this is one chat box. So actually we need this to be different because I think we need username to be part of no. How does this work? So we need username to be slightly outside of the chat box. Oh shit. Let's not spend this coin. Although these units are pretty rip. But maybe I can do it with 2 of them. If I do that there and then this one up there. Oh no, I can't. Oh shit. This is kind of a GG, I think. I think we just restart here. So I don't know how to get 3 tiles behind it. Yeah, we're restarting. New game. 2 skeletons, eh? Email's the weirdest protocol? Really? What makes it so weird? Email and SSH? Hey. I like SSH. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. RIP. SSH seems pretty strong. I mean, I'm currently using it right this second. Yeah, nice. You can put in whatever from. I want that is true. That is pretty weird when you think about it. We will grab another unit here. Nice, perfect. Okay, useless. Useless! No hypnotizing breakout background. I broke it. I broke balls on screen. Oh fuck. I broke my balls on screen. I don't know why I did. I haven't looked at why it broke. I just know it is broken. Let's do this, because I'm not sure we'll survive another round if we don't. Yeah, that was good. Perfect. This one. Hell yeah. Okay, we have 4 coins. That's nice. People really treated electronic stuff like electronic mail. Nice, you get that in your head and it starts to make sense, but it's just a bad way to use technology, yeah. Can I get... I don't think I can do the next level without, like, getting some more characters. Okay, no overlaps. Nice. That's pretty good, honestly. Yeah, let's get some of these people up in here. So, that one, this one, that one. Can I get a skull? Yeah, I can fit a skull in. So, oh, I could move this one all the way up. Holy. Nice. All right. This is a pretty loaded team. I like it. Oh no! My skeleton's gone. R.I.P. I think the rest of my people are good though. I was wrong! I was wrong! Oh no. That's okay. We have 4 coins now. We need more than 4 coins though. We'll pop these in here. Actually, let's move that one there. This can go there, and so can this one. Boop. Boop. I'll just move that one there and that one there. Can I hit anyone with this skelly? I cannot. Oh, hell yeah, I hit both of them. Nice. Oh shit, I can't hit that skeleton. Yeah. Hey, Salad, thank you for ordering me. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. Bye-bye, skeleton. Oh, there's 2 enemies left. I thought it was just the blue person. I was wrong. Oh no, I misclicked. Oh shit. Not the misclick. Oh, I'm gonna lose my paladin. Sheesh, that's not good. Yo, what's wrong with this hitbox? Yo, I don't know what's happening here. That's not good. I don't know what's happening. Like it's bugged out. It's bugged out. Or unless this one's not meant to be selected, because like, well, even then, these two, it does eventually hover over them, but it's like you need to wiggle to get there for some reason. And what was that? How did it get over here? That's not how it should work. It should be like instant like these ones, but it's a bit iffy. The hello, Sleepy. Oh shit. That was bad. Oh no! Oh no. Why did I get oh well. Oh well, I have no characters. Time to summon them all. Oh yeah, look at that, it worked. Okay, a little fix, it did work. Um, nearly that, nice. Oh, we got a slime, I love slimes. I don't think we should have had 6 coins there, by the way. That was weird. You know, apparently my energy levels are low. I was just informed. My body just informed me of this. What the? I'm gonna BRB because it's ad time anyway. It's ad time anyway. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Get me. Okay, fuck it. We'll continue. Well, is the game running? Or is this is the output? Willkommen Zurück. Zurück. Danke. Dank. Oh my god. Hey, it built. It built. What are we building? Oh, we didn't make it visible. My god. After all that, I didn't make it visible. Oh no. No, this is the wrong project. This one. Because we, at the very end, we just added visibility hidden here. Yeah, we'll just comment that out. And we'll leave those, I guess, for now. We'll leave those for now. Yeah. I don't want this to be a short stream, but what? What, Twitch? What do you mean? Your ad is about to start. Snooze for 5 minutes? We just had an ad. What is this? It's scamming. It's scamming. What about second ad? Oh, hello, Eden. Hello. Why is it scamming me? Oh, will it actually play another ad? Oh, what the? Lemon eyes? Lemon eyes? Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. What the? So, uh, uh, chat box children right here. If we go like height, is it height? Value pixels. We go 100 pixels high for the node. How does that work? We should probably get some padding in too. We go padding value all. Is it value all or is it it's like rect all, and then we'll go like 5. Let's go with 12. 12 might be too much. Yeah, maybe we should set up you know what? Let's set up that the fast compile thing properly. Because clearly we're just spending so much time waiting for it to compile. UI rect is what I want. UI rect. Is it just 12? Does it only accept value? Oh yeah, it does take in a value. I thought so. So pixel 12. It's compiling. Yeah, since compiling's taking so much time, what the what kind of set of eyes are those? Clara. What the? Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Ah, tasty. Yeah, okay. Let's set up the proper crane lift because this is stupid. It takes so long. Yeah, okay, 12 was too much, but it did show that that uh yeah, the username is wrong. It's fun mixing and matching emotes. It is. I agree with that. Okay, let's look up how to install crane lift. Rust use crane lift. Um, here we are. Which is being weird. What the? Crane lift. How do we? Oh, the recent push is a failure. What the? Okay, so this. Download using Rust up. Sure, sure. So we will close our other project for now. We'll do this now. Uh-oh. It's already installed. It's already installed. Okay. Bix, hello. Did you see the thing Discord just did? What do you mean? What did Discord just do? Hello. Once installed, you can enable it with one of the following approaches. Cargo profile dev. This thing? Sure. Sure, let's try this. Copy, paste. Stream gonna lag from this? Oh, what the? Is jumping multiple. What the? Yo, this is fast. Whoa. And it doesn't overload my CPU. Yeah, that's crazy. Discord partnered with Domo AI to integrate their image generator into Discord directly. Oh, yeah, I heard about that. Okay. I don't know, like it's um it's it's all right. Like I don't know. Like obviously AI being AI, it's gonna be a bit rep, but like I don't know. I don't know. Like you don't have to use the AI stuff, right? And if you're not forced to use it, then just don't use it, right? Helix. I probably won't use it. So if I just copy this, and then we go into normal cargo config. Ah, fuck. Here. Oh wait, it doesn't keep it. Copy. Open. Config. cargo. Oh no, it's .cargo .config. Paste. Yes. Save. So this enables crate lift for developer mode. Okay, so we go save, quit. We remove that. And we cargo run. Yeah, nice. Cargo clean. Cargo run. Thing is, they're making it such a way that you can use it on the images other people uploaded. Oh, as long as you don't force you to, and quite frankly, how'd that even go? It is by law Discord duty to educate people copyright. And like it is it by law Discord's duty to educate people on copyrights and electrical? Yeah. So I guess what you're afraid of is what people can do anyway. Like if you have an image that you post on Discord, people just download that and put that in their AI. It's true. It's true. Bix makes an excellent point. Like it's like maybe it's lowering like one extra step barrier, but it's still like yeah. They do say we do not train. Well, like if that's in their legal documents and not just their web page. Well, like their web page is also legally binding if it does say that. And then they're caught actually doing that, then they're gonna get deleted. So I'm pretty certain they do that. Like if they're even a slightly reputable company of any kind, then they won't train their own AI. Prejudge, miss everything AI dev by default without receipts. Yeah. Yeah. GG. GG. Because what if Discord has done their research and they've seen the ins and outs of Domo AI and everything they're doing is like fully compliant and in a way that Discord is okay with, and that's why they're partnering up. Like, why would you partner up with a company if that's not true? Because if you partner up with a company that's doing actual illegal stuff, like that company that's partnering with the legal person is also in legal trouble, especially if it's part of providing the service. And so I don't think Discord is gonna like do that. I don't know. I have no idea if this is working. Mm. You just don't trust companies who are only really insensitive. Yo, what about Microsoft? Hmm? What about just like any company? Like I'm pretty sure most companies exist to make money. People just love doomsaying. That's true. You don't think we're gonna make it out of this one? That's what Maya told you back then. The world's gonna end. There's gonna be legal trouble, and then bam, they knew. Every world is going to end at some point. It's like horoscopes, the sun's gonna blow up at some point. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we got a very like anti positive hope. An anti hope chat thing. My God. I don't know. Like I'm sick of like I don't know. I spent enough of my years being like, oh, that company's evil or what they do is bad, and then just like fully instantly judging them. Like I don't know. It's definitely I think it's definitely unfair, and it's too much effort. It's too much effort. Like I only end up caring if it like starts getting shoved in my face and like I kind of forced to use it and it's like detrimental to like the day to day interactions and things like that, or it's like actually legally bad, um, or you know it's like actually like confirmed violating like my privacy or whatever. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You think what's going down the drain is people? Yeah, we're gonna have a reenactment of Flushed Away. Holy! People became more paranoid by doom scrolling all day and consuming negative media than they stopped thinking for themselves. No matter if the media is spinning the truth. Legal doesn't mean moral. Yeah, yeah, and like it is why I also added on like they're like invading my privacy or whatever afterwards. Like I don't know. Like moral is such a like rough one, especially applying to like whole companies or whole sections of tech. Because like I don't know. Oh, unsupported x86 LLVM intrinsic, replacing with trap. Whoa. Yeah, I have so many paladins. Mm, 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 yeah, I killed both of the assassin things at the same time. What the? Wait, how did it kill? Those weren't near wow, 1 HP. Oh, is my health bugged? My health may be bugged. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, that's fine. That is fine. If I go to this one and we go rm msl./cargo, is it .config? I go clean. Feature code backends. Oh, I need to enable nightly in the config. Helix. How do I enable nightly? Unstable. Yeah, that's fine. Plus nightly. Cargo enable nightly. You need to back up your data and you don't wanna, but you wanna install the new CPU. Does one require the other? Or are you sharing components? That would make sense. Yeah, I think people watch too many politics. Mm, 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 mm. Hello, Unholy Diver. Hi. You've come at an unfortunate time when chat's doing some political bullshit. I don't know. Mm. You want to clean and install, get rid of much as corrupted data. Yeah, what I meant is you feel like your PC right now is a malware mothership. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. If it feels like that, but like, could you not like a lot of it would be copying, right? So if you get like a big set that is for copying, and then have that copy, you can install while it copies. No, what was wrong with paste? Can I do toolchain like .dev save? Mm, mm. Desktop home scans. An X-ray from PC. Oh no, not hospital time for the computer. Oh no. Rust up overwrite set and lightly short. Let's try this. Let's try this. Can I go clean? Oh, it did work. Rust is a nice language, but the redundancy in config files or what does where it confuse you? You got the config tool and you got the special folder, you forgot the name, and you got toolchain JSON, what the, and you got some flags just by CLI. Well yeah, so that would have been from the cargo package manager before Rust adopted it, right? Because cargo exists outside of Rust. Rust just decided to adopt it and use it. You ran Malwarebytes? What is Malwarebytes? I think for Windows at least, I'm pretty sure the Windows Defender is pretty fucking good these days for virus detections. Malwarebytes. Loved by millions. Well, you don't have a second antivirus, but you ran every 2 weeks for a scan? Whoa. Wait, do you have a schedule or do you manually do it? If you manually do it, wow, that's dedication. I mean, having it automatically run every 2 weeks is also dedication. You manually, oh my. I haven't scanned for viruses in years. Yo, should we scan my computer for viruses? Do you think I have some? I haven't run a scan on my computer. Like, we could run it on my Windows drive. Windows Defender isn't a real-time option. Do you actually need a real-time option? I know when I was younger, I downloaded many viruses many times, a lot of them, and I got the one where they they lock your computer and they say you have to send them like I don't know like $3,000 or whatever for them to lock your computer, and if you don't do it in like 2 weeks, it'll like delete your computer, and they like also encrypted the Windows, like that whole thing, so that you'd boot up and you'd only see that screen, and like no matter what you did. That was fun. That was fun. If you stream movies, TV, or torrent stuff, it's nice to have. What do you mean? Do you not know like how to check torrents before you download them? Like, I understand. I guess if you're doing like games is probably where it's most dangerous. If you're illegally doing games because you're forced to run an exe and you don't really have a way to verify that exe for games. But like videos, there's a bunch of ways. Like videos, it's I don't know. Yo, that's smart. That is smart. Yeah, and if you stream stuff, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I think people are overprotective when it comes to torrents. There's certainly bad ones out there. I don't know. Maybe I'm just like coming from a place where I just use Linux all the time, so it's like not that much of a problem because I'm not the target audience for viruses. Plus, Linux setups are often different enough that any scripts or like a bunch of scripts just wouldn't work the way it does in Windows anyway. I mean, Linux certainly has viruses. I've had many Linux viruses in my day and age. They're fun. um, I don't know. I don't know. Yo, why did my overlay die? Oh, I didn't. You wish you could switch to Linux permanently? Wait, why can't you? You tried several times in the past, but a lot of games you play. Which games? Which games? You run Pop OS. Yeah, I hate Pop OS, just IMO. But the Cosmic stuff is looking pog. Linux first, who damn the penguin's sick. Hello, hi. Hi. Yeah, what games? Like the only games I've run into that don't work have been the multiplayer DRM ones. So at the moment that's like League of Legends, Apex, Valorant. That might be it. Or there's some other ones that I haven't touched. Adobe Cell is fully open source. You always feel like you don't need Linux anymore. Is it though? Extend, embrace, extinguish. Is Microsoft still using that? Fuck Riot Games in general though. Well, the Tanks, Payday 2. I guess not anymore, but at the time, yeah. I don't know anything about World of Tanks or War Thunder. True. Yeah, still haven't switched back to Windows. You just started getting into Linux. You installed Mint on a 10-year-old laptop and it works. Yo, hell yeah, let's go. It got open sourced, including WS Windows Service 12 kernel. What is their reasoning for open sourcing it? Like, what do they? Oh, yeah, like what's Microsoft's angle? War Thunder has a Linux version, somehow it runs even worse. The Windows version runs bad. Yo, maybe the developers of War Thunder just aren't that good. I know nothing about War Thunder and I've never seen it, but it just sounds like they're just not good at programming. They're not good at the performance programming. I guess if they're making big bucks anyway, they really don't care. Have fun. Using JetBrains? What the? Imagine using an IDE. I say as I use an IDE. Usually experience texture mapping issues. Yeah. Doesn't one of the tanks use like DirectX 11? One of the DirectX versions is like the worst when it comes to line, and it's like 10 and 11 is where it's very iffy. Is it on Proton DB? Oh. World of Tanks. Oh, it is. It is. People said gold. Gold for World of Tanks. Works great, tick. Switch to experimental. Switch to experimental. Changed config. They use some special Proton thing. Line CPU topology. Why are they setting all their cores? Oh, I guess they have audio crackling. Oh no. Sometimes crashes randomly. Well, they all say to use this wine topology thing. Oh, that's interesting. I've never seen this wine CPU topology command. You found VODs from 2022? Yo, Pog. Those are some old VODs. Since OESL is using Linux, they wanted to continue the open source nature of Linux and let the community contribute. But they didn't, though. They didn't. If that was true, why didn't they just do it from the beginning? This is my point. What changed? What made them do it? Like, presumably, they were like, oh, we're spending this amount of $1 billion on it, and like their goal was to get people hooked on it and using it. And then now that they're like, yo, how do we reduce the cost of WSL? Oh, let's open source it, and then like people will start implementing things for it because people are already using it. They're already in the ecosystem. And so I'm very skeptical. Like I am very skeptical about Microsoft's motivations just generally. Like I am biased in that way. But like if their goal was to continue the open source nature of Linux and let the community contribute, they would have done that from the beginning. But they didn't. They didn't. All these people are giving all the things works, but every single person basically requires a different way of getting it running. They all have issues. Well, it's not. It's not they require a different way of getting it running. They've gone about getting it running in this certain way, and that's like, I don't know. If you don't have the patience, like it looks like more recently there's been a bunch of fixes with Proton Experimental, but if you're not gonna put effort into like getting it to work, if it's not like gonna work simply, then of course your Linux experience is not gonna be a rip. But yeah, it looks like it's a kind of iffy game. Well, yeah. It certainly doesn't work with the default Proton stuff, that's for sure. That's for sure. But yeah, I don't know. I come from the world where everyone's like, oh, it doesn't run in wine, and then I spend like 3 hours tinkering, and then I get it to run when literally no one else has gotten it to run. So I don't know. You would argue that it is a doesn't work. No, it doesn't work is a very definitive. They put it in a blog. Yo, Microsoft posted a blog. It must be true. There's no way they have other incentives or anything else. Yo, where did my chat go? Can I open this link, please? Hello, link. They relied a lot on Windows internal stuff that couldn't be in open source. They've been transforming it over the years to prepare for open source release. Is this not what they're trying to find a way to decrease the cost for themselves? Okay, so they still have is this part closed sourced? This part, the Windows part? The WSL service and these configs? And then this is the open source part, or is all of this open source? This is WSL's architecture. Load library. Why is Debian and Ubuntu exe? What the? Why do all these redeems have false as description? False. False. Plan 9. Someone was blogging about Plan 9 ages ago. Microsoft WSGL enabling Windows subsystem for Linux to include support for Wayland and X scenario-related scenarios. Man, there's a lot of text here. There's a lot of text here. Don't know. Who is Perry Boulay? They've done one article. Who is Perry Boulay? They were nobody. They did one article. What the? Oh, they're French, I think. I see, I see. There is a part for why now. Yeah, there was too much text. Didn't read. I read some of it, but it's like my point still stands. Like, are they not just trying to find ways to decrease costs for themselves whilst also um yeah. Mhm. You think they've flipped the extend, embrace, extinguish? Not flipped. Flipped wouldn't work. Mm, it is interesting. I wonder what they're trying to like. What are they actually trying to like get from having WSL? Like an actual development environment? Because Windows sucks as a development operating system, or or more programs. Well, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. My brain is fried. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry, and I'm kind of sick of politics actually. And this build stuff is kind of meh. Mostly, I'm hungry though. Mostly, I'm hungry though. So we're gonna go raid Assassin. Thanks for hanging out today. I should be live again tomorrow. Hopefully with some more proper game dev stuff. But yeah, you're hungry too? Yo, we got the same name. Oh hell yeah. Yeah, I didn't know there was someone else with the same name as me. Holy. Yeah, thanks for hanging out, everyone. And yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do about this game. I need to have a breakthrough. Hungry Twins. Yeah. Yeah, I think I got some nice curries and some bread to have with it. Like I bought a cob loaf, so I'm gonna have to chop it up, I think. Um, I don't actually know what else I'd do with a cob loaf. I used to have like what's it called? It's like you put three cheeses after you into a cob loaf that has been hollowed out. It has a name. I used to really like that. I don't know what it's called though anymore. It might be four cheeses, maybe even five. But maybe it's just called cob loaf. Yeah, we might have just called it cob loaf. Maybe. Anyway, have fun at Asterton Stream, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Bye bye.